didn't hide. When I was king, I played it hard and fast. I walked away, you want me there. Easy on and easy on and it would. Come on, you got me, got me. My feet so got me, no. To my feet without me, no. But I done.
Guys, sa tapon ako, punta tayo ng Switzerland. Nasa Star Mall na tayo guys. Paglampas ng Star Mall guys, sa unahan lang merong McDo. Tapos may kanto dyan, dito. Pasok kayo dyan. Dito. Pasok tayo dito. Sama na naman natin si Ling guys, oh. Ling lang sa Kalam. Ngayon lang ako ulit nakapag-ride dito. Dati nung newbie pa ako. Alala ko napaka hirap ng ruta na to dito. Tsaka ginagawa pa yung daan. Ngayon ano na, oh. Ganda na ng daan dito. Ahon to guys, ahon. Guys, yung dito tayo ngayon sa ano, sa Linaw, Barangay Linaw. Tapos papunta sa Switzerland, dadaan tayo ng Tapul. Basta puro ahon dito guys. %, gradient. Gapang na tayo dito guys. Dati iyak ako dito dati. Ngayon iyak pa din. Hirapan tayo sa Kalisto dito guys. Ling, relax lang yan si Ling guys. Sinabihan ko yan na huwag niya akong tagakin para makakain siya. Pag dinagak ako walang kain guys. Casamera. Ubos yung kinain ko kagabi guys. Sa biligyan nila drilling. Sa biligyan nila. Doon sa biligyan nila dito ba? Puto, hanta puto. Morning. Kain muna kami puto guys. Tara Ling, puto. Asa Brent? Na dia. Nagsunod rin mo? Guys, videohan natin yung isa guys. Sa Kalam mo. Ito yung sa Kalam guys. Si Brent guys. Apat na kami guys. Nagdagdagan ng dalawa. Si Brent tsaka si John. Punta na kami ng Kapinsa. Pagdating nyo dito guys, may dalawang daan. Pa straight tsaka sa pa left. Dito tayo sa left tayo. Diyan oh, grabe dyan eh. Kinain lang yung ahon guys oh. Parang wala lang. Pasok na kami ng Tapul. Ay kung palagot taling ha.
Huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.
Grabe lingoy, mamaw kayo. Mamaw gignaw. Ling, the mamaw. Mamaw face. Masakit na daw ang kilid ni Grace guys. Nahirapan ako sa likod.
Huwag kayo iyak.
Ay, di ni mao lagi. Anak bitaw ko ninyo, di ni mao. Ay, daray. Barangay Tapul. Guys, papasok na kami sa Barangay Tapul. Ito na, may bago silang welcome sign. Barangay Tapul. Shout out Midloopers. Ikaw sa dyan. Sinana, masunda sila ba?
My lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a f***ing name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little vice in. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste it, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate showing off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. That energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself and my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna take me, you can try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you're going aimless, you can fight me.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up.
Slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not